Douglas fir has been used for centuries to help with a variety of ailments. So let's figure out how we can use the essential oil to help our bodies now. Respiratory infections, coughs, mental fog, muscle and joint soreness, rheumatic and arthritic conditions, depression and tension, constipation, skin irritations and abrasions. It can also help with skin cleansing and cellulite. Douglas fir is not to be taken internally and can cause some skin irritation, so make sure you dilute it before you use it that way.